You may sometimes need to record your screen with the internal audio, like make a tutorial to upload to YouTube, or record streaming videos that you cannot download directly. When it comes to recording your Mac screen, you are actually using the built-in screen recorder, QuickTime. But you may face a common problem: QuickTime screen recording no audio error. So, how can you troubleshoot this issue? There are notable QuickTime alternatives that will get your job done. In this video, I will show you how to record your Mac screen with VideoSolo Video Recorder. This simple yet feature-rich screen recorder comes with 4 main tools: video recorder, webcam recorder, audio recorder, and screen capture. Here, you are able to change the recording tool as you need. Now choose the video recorder to capture the screen activities on your MacBook. Screen recording can be done in full screen mode or a custom section. Click Customize to select a certain part of the screen, or simply choose a fixed size option provided by VideoSolo. To capture the internal audio from your MacBook, toggle on the System Sound button. If you want to record your own voice, just turn on the microphone option as well. Before starting recording your Mac screen, you can customize the location of the output file, video format, video quality, and also frame rate. As you have set up everything, simply click on the red Rec button to get ready for the screen recording. When the task finishes, you can move to the History tab to review the recorded video. That's it. Give VideoSolo a try to create a task and share it with others.